Welcome to Nutri Delights, where health meets flavor. At Nutri Delights, we're on a mission to redefine the way you think about nutrition. Our channel is dedicated to empowering you with practical health insights and flavorful recipes that make healthy living an achievable and enjoyable part of your lifestyle. Whether you're focused on improving heart health, managing diabetes, supporting kidney function, or preventing cancer, we bring you evidence-based guidance tailored to your needs. Join us as we explore the healing power of nutrient-packed foods, share expert tips, and guide you toward making informed choices that delight your taste buds and strengthen your body. Subscribe now to embark on a delicious journey to better health. The incredible health benefits of raw onions. Raw onions are more than just a staple ingredient in your kitchen. They are a nutritional powerhouse packed with benefits that can transform your health. From boosting your heart and immune system to promoting bone health and preventing cancer, raw onions deserve a regular place on your plate. Let's dive deep into their 10 remarkable benefits, backed by science, and how to incorporate them into your diet for maximum health advantages. 1. Supports heart health. Raw onions are rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant known for its heart protective properties. Quercetin helps reduce inflammation, relaxes blood vessels, and promotes smooth blood flow, which lowers blood pressure and decreases the risk of heart disease and strokes. Onions also lower LDL, bad cholesterol, levels while increasing HDL, good cholesterol, reducing the risk of arterial blockages. Incorporating raw onions into your meals, such as adding them to salads or sandwich toppings, can provide consistent cardiovascular support. Pro tip: pair raw onions with garlic or olive oil for enhanced heart health benefits. These foods synergize to maximize their cholesterol-lowering and anti-inflammatory effects. 2. Natural blood thinner. The sulfur compounds in raw onions act as natural blood thinners by preventing platelet aggregation, blood clot formation. This reduces the risk of life-threatening conditions like heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, these compounds improve blood circulation, ensuring efficient oxygen delivery throughout your body. How to use: add finely chopped raw onions to your salads or mix them with ginger in dressings to enhance their blood-thinning properties naturally. 3. Boosts immune system. Raw onions are packed with immune-boosting nutrients such as vitamin C, selenium, and antioxidants. Their sulfur compounds exhibit antimicrobial properties, actively combating bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Including raw onions in your diet strengthens your body's defense mechanisms, helping you ward off common colds and infections. Pro tip: for a potent immunity-boosting combination, mix raw onions with honey and a pinch of turmeric. This natural remedy can help soothe sore throats and enhance your body's ability to fight infections. 4. Helps prevent cancer. Onions contain organosulfur compounds and flavonoids like quercetin, which have shown potential in reducing cancer risk. These compounds neutralize harmful free radicals, inhibit cancer cell growth, and promote the destruction of mutated cells. Studies suggest that regular onion consumption may lower the risk of colorectal, stomach, and prostate cancers. Pro tip: combine raw onions with cruciferous vegetables like broccoli or cauliflower. The combination enhances detoxification and amplifies the cancer-fighting properties of both foods. 5. Enhances digestive health. Raw onions are an excellent source of inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for efficient digestion, better nutrient absorption, and reduced inflammation. Eating raw onions regularly can help prevent digestive issues like constipation, bloating, and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. How to use: start with small amounts of raw onions if you're not used to them, as their high sulfur content can be potent. Gradually increase the quantity in your salads or pair them with yogurt for a gut-friendly combo. 6. Promotes bone strength. Onions contain sulfur compounds that play a key role in collagen production, essential for bone structure and connective tissues. Additionally, they help regulate bone-protecting hormones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis, particularly in postmenopausal women. Pro tip: pair raw onions with calcium-rich foods like almonds or leafy greens. This combination can amplify their bone-strengthening effects. 7. Regulates blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes, raw onions can be a valuable addition to your diet. They are low in carbohydrates and contain chromium, which helps regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. Regular onion consumption can aid in stabilizing glucose levels, preventing spikes, and reducing long-term complications. How to use: add raw onions to your vegetable smoothies or sprinkle them over lentils and legumes for a diabetes-friendly meal. 8. Improves skin and hair health. The sulfur content in onions boosts keratin production, a protein essential for healthy hair and skin. Onions also enhance blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth and preventing conditions like dandruff. Additionally, their antioxidant properties protect your skin from oxidative damage, reducing signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Pro tip: for hair care, apply onion juice mixed with coconut oil directly to your scalp. For glowing skin, incorporate raw onions into your diet alongside vitamin C-rich foods like oranges or peppers. 9. Aids detoxification. Onions support your body's natural detoxification process by stimulating the liver's production of enzymes that remove toxins. This detox effect reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting vital organs like the kidneys and liver from damage. How to use: add thinly sliced raw onions to lemon water or green smoothies for a refreshing detox drink. 10. Supports respiratory health. Raw onions possess anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve respiratory conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and allergies. They reduce mucus buildup in the airways and alleviate congestion, making breathing easier. Pro tip: mix raw onions with honey for a natural remedy to soothe coughs and reduce throat irritation. How to incorporate raw onions into your diet: add finely chopped onions to fresh salads, wraps, or sandwiches. Use them as a topping for tacos, burgers, or soups. Pair them with olive oil, lemon, and herbs to make a zesty salad dressing. Mix them into salsa or guacamole for an extra health boost. Unlock the power of raw onions. Raw onions are an affordable, versatile, and nutrient-dense food that can significantly improve your health. From protecting your heart and boosting immunity to promoting healthy digestion and fighting cancer, their benefits are too powerful to ignore. Start incorporating raw onions into your meals today and take a step toward a healthier, happier life. Remember, even small dietary changes can make a big difference over time. Thank you for choosing Nutri-Delights as your go-to source for health and wellness inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more tips and recipes that transform your health. See you in the next video.